this lesson, we're going to cover the Duct Master, our high-performance contact cleaning machine. The Duct Master uses a 1.5-inch hose and a fast-spinning motorized brush with excellent suction power to clean the duct. There are 4 7-amp motors available in the Duct Master, providing 75 water gauge of static pressure or suction. You can use 2 motors for your smaller jobs, but using all 4 will be much more efficient. The Duct Master not only cleans air ducts, you can use it for dryer vent cleaning and as a hand vac for large ducts. You can also use it as a shop vac for non-liquid debris. Like the turbojets, the Duct Master has 12-inch heavy-duty non-marking wheels and locking caster wheels for easy maneuverability. The front has a 3-inch vacuum opening to connect your 1.5-inch hose with the included adapter. This hose is good for smaller ducts. There's an optional 2-inch hose for use in larger ducts, those more than 12 inches in diameter. The Duct Master's interior can be accessed by opening the front portal at the hose access point. You will see a black deflector. This keeps debris from puncturing the debris bag which is attached to it. Place the bag onto the deflector and pull it forward until it's snug. Fold both ends in and close the panel. As the machine generates suction, the bag will expand inside. On the back side of the machine is the control panel and 2 power cords. Line 1 works motors 1 and 2, and line 2 works motors 3 and 4. If you are going to only use one plug, just connect it to a GFI outlet. If you are going to use both plugs, connect one to the home's GFI outlet and the other into any other outlet as long as it's non-GFI. If it's plugged into 2 GFI outlets, you will trip the GFI. If you plan on using both plugs, you should first do a test to see if they are connected to separate circuits. If there's only one circuit available, you can only use one plug and 2 motors, which for most residential cleaning is more than enough. A note of caution: do not turn on more than 2 motors before performing the test. If the machine is not on 2 different circuits, a power surge may occur and you could trip the circuit breaker in the building. Press the test button. If the light is green, you are good to go. If it's red, you're not on separate circuits. Next, insert the vacuum end of the hose to the Duct Master. There is a power connection that powers the motorized brush connected to the opposite end of the hose. Attach the other end of the plug into the receptacle at the top of the Duct Master. The Duct Master uses 2 filters and a debris bag to capture the dust and debris from cleaning. The filtration process starts with a 20-gallon bag. This is what you will be mostly accessing in cleaning the Duct Master. With the machine turned off and unplugged, open the front portal, remove the bag, and dispose the contents according to local or state ordinances. To access the next 2 filters, open the body of the Duct Master by releasing the 3 latches that hold it together on the top and sides. First is the electrostatic silver filter. Inspect it after each job for noticeable debris, and clean it using our recommended filter cleaning method. The second stage HEPA filter is next and should be replaced 2 to 4 times a year. Lift the HEPA filter out to inspect it for damage or clogging. To reuse it, replace the filter with the flow arrow pointing down. Then close the Duct Master, latching it securely. The motorized brush is the working end of the Duct Master system. There is a small lightweight motor to power the brush. This motor works in a unique way. The brush needs to be at the center of the duct to be able to clean the entire circumference. With a heavy motor, it would just flop on the floor of the duct. So a lightweight motor with high torque is needed. The torque allows the brush to lift up at a point where all bristles come into contact with the entire duct. The Duct Master also includes a remote control so you can change the brush speed while you're up on a ladder. The remote for the Duct Master has 5 buttons. The top red button turns the brush motor on with 1 press, then off with a 2nd press. There's a forward reverse button to change brush direction. The last two buttons do not operate the Duct Master, but are reserved for future editions. To learn more about using the Duct Master for contact cleaning, be sure to watch our contact cleaning video for more information. In the next lesson, we'll look at our next machine,